Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to remove two-factor authentication in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Shopify where you can see you can go ahead and log into your account, after which you can access your store, and now you can take a look at all the options we have right here such as orders, products, and so on, and we can get started with opening up our settings. So basically guys, to get started with removing two-factor authentication from our store, what we need to do is open up the settings option right here. After opening up the settings guys, it's going to open up this settings menu where we can find all the settings and menu options we can access, as you can see right here in the left side screen, plan, billing, and so on. And guys, if you have a premium plan, you'll have one more option right here that is called security. So you'll be able to open up, as you can see right here on the official help Shopify page, we can go ahead and open up our Shopify admin settings and click manage account. Under manage account, open up security. So here we can go ahead and get started managing our account and opening up the security option if you have your premium plan. After that, you're going to open up the two-step authentication section, click remove next to the authentication method, and then you can go ahead and click next. So once you have done that guys, in the security section, you can get started removing it and nobody will be able to have two-factor authentication to enter your store. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.